Hey there, guys. Welcome back here. To those who don't know me, my name is Agum. Yeah, and welcome to this platform of agum.muga. And to my lovers, thank you so much. I love you too. To my haters, thank you so much, so super much. I love you more than the lovers. And to the rest, to the newcomers, welcome back, guys. So yeah, um, right about now, before I tell you more about what we are about to do right now, just know that here we do a lot of things. We do everything, literally everything, okay? But before we do everything, well, we've done everything though. But anyway, before we get into what we are doing here today, guys, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, like and comment, okay? Say whatever is in your mind. I accept all sorts of comments, okay? And I respond to all sorts of comments. Anywho, guys, so today what I want to do is make pancakes. It's I think it's 9 p.m. and I know you're wondering, why is this lady making pancakes in the night? Okay, I have this for one. I have 3 eggs. I have my ngano. This is like a quarter of the ngano. I'll tell you why I'm using this quarter of the ngano. And I have milk. Okay, I have milk, guys. Point of the matter is, I don't know how to make pancakes. And the main reason why I've decided to make pancakes is because we have me and my babe, we have an early morning tomorrow. He has a very early morning meeting and I have to go to work. And my cue, I'm not a morning person, okay? I at times wake up so early as 5:30 or 6 and end up getting late to work still. And I end up not even taking breakfast, okay? So the reason why I'm making pancakes right now is because I want both of us to try and take breakfast together in the morning. And yeah. And the reason why I'm making pancakes and I don't know how to make pancakes is at the end of the day I have to learn how to make them because I love pancakes and I can't always buy them. At Carrefour, I really love pancakes at Carrefour. It goes for 50 bob and it's so good. But I don't know how to make it. And now I'm trying to make it. I don't know if I have. Guys, yeah. I have baking flour. I wasn't sure if I had it, but anyway. So I'm using my baking flour, this one, milk, and wheat flour. Yeah. Oh, and my 3 eggs here. So guys, I'll Google. I want to try make it as they're saying it, because at the end of the day we have to make pancakes and we didn't buy escort for morning. So this is what our morning lives are depending on. So if I mess this up, we have to go to work angry. Oh Lord, help me not. So guys, let's get down with this. I'll just do my mix up here. And let's get down with Googling. How to make pancakes. Just a minute, guys. So let's do this. Okay, so here it is, how to make pancakes at home. Let's get down with this. Okay. Oil, sugar. Spoon. We start with our eggs. Really? Sugar. Sugar. I don't have a whisk, so flour.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me,
I don't know. Try this. Nene? Oh, okay. Okay. Unadhani inakuanga hivi? Huh? Where is my pan? Hey, lovely people. So, guys, let's get down with this. We have our kamafta here. So let me shift. So I'll try fetching with this and see. Okay. Let's see. It's just more. Okay, I hope it works. Oh my goodness, the first one is a fail. The first one is a complete fail, guys. Anyway. Woo! Oh my god. Look at this bitch. Oh, guys, I was told to change to this pan, so let's see how it goes. But anyway, the first one is here. Ta! Super happy. Sexy, sexy. Is this not sexy? This is sexy, sexy, sexy. Number 2. No, this is number 3. Number 3. Number 3. But it's okay. Guys, here are the pancakes. There are the pancakes. Here are the pancakes, guys. So yeah, I'll show you the end product. Okay.